Hey guys, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to a long awaited video. In this video, we're going to be checking out the Cooler Master CK550 V2 mechanical gaming keyboard. Now this keyboard features red RGB mechanical switches. This particular one has a UK layout since I'm in the UK. Now what's really nice is that this actually comes with a rest as well, like a separate rest. Now this keyboard has 5 billion plus key presses, which is pretty good for a keyboard of this price. There's a nice brushed aluminium design as well, and you've got some nice hassle-free software. But anyway, let's have a look at what's inside of the box. Here's a closer look at the box. The one thing I will say is that I absolutely love the styling of Cooler Master products, or the packaging at least. There's just something about that purple that I really like. It suits pretty well. But anyway, like usual, let's struggle with opening the box. I really should update from a glass desk. Whatever, there's fingerprints wherever you touch. It's literally the most annoying thing ever. Anyway. So this is what it looks like inside of the box. The keyboard itself is actually a lot smaller than I was expecting, which is a good sign. So obviously you have a nice handrest. Now this is basically just a rubber sort of handrest. It's literally a piece of rubber in a way, but it will make all the difference when it comes to typing on this. The keyboard itself comes in this pretty cool plastic, which I haven't seen for a very long time. They usually just come in a bag nowadays. So here you have your, that's something I haven't seen before. Not sure what that is. It's a bit of plastic tucked away in there. No idea what that's about. So it even comes with a useful tool. Very nice to see. So it's just a basic gaming keyboard at the end of the day. Now I've just seen something, I'm not sure if you see that. Even the actual USB part is purple, which is very nice to see. So that's what your keyboard looks like. And inside of the keyboard you also have a little leaflet, I guess. Most likely just legal stuff, if I'm honest. What is sad to see though, and a little gutted in a way, is that it doesn't come with stickers. I absolutely love it when manufacturers decide to treat you with the basic things like stickers, which I can then add to my collection on my laptop. At default, the keyboard comes illuminated in this amazing purple glow. Now, I'm not sure if it's just me, but I think that keyboard rest is slightly higher than the top of the keyboard. It might be just me though. The keyboard is looking absolutely amazing. There's no other way to say that. In terms of the actual clicks, if I get my mic closer, the clicks sound pretty reasonable for this type of keyboard. What I really like about this keyboard is that it comes with 4 program keys as well, which I haven't come across many keyboards that come with that, specifically at this price range. And the keyboard itself I purchased for just around £40, which at the time was more than half price. As for the keys themselves, that's what the keys actually look like. Yeah, so my one complaint about this keyboard is the fact that your function key is there and all your light keys are just there. So unfortunately it does actually take quite a doing to change the colors, especially if you have one hand. Yeah, so I've been using this keyboard for typing my assignment work for around an hour now, and I have to say the keyboard is extremely comfortable to type with. I was a bit hesitant on the actual wrist rest just because of the type of material it's made of, but actually surprisingly it's extremely comfortable as well. In terms of gaming in it, I've been playing War Thunder and GTA Online for around an hour as well, and it's comfortable for gaming as well. In terms of finding the volume keys, I have to say it took me a while, but it turns out that I have found them. Now, in terms of comfort, it definitely gets a 10 out of 10. It's extremely comfortable to type with, especially for long periods of time. Now, in terms of style, I am slightly disappointed, and the reason for that is that on the listing it stated that the finish to it is a brushed steel sort of aluminium look. Now, unfortunately, not only is it not sort of silvery greyish like it was pictured, but it's also feels sort of plasticky, and I suppose at that price I can't complain. Therefore, in terms of style, I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. Now, I am going to have to play around with the software simply because, from what I gathered when I first launched it, it's a link to a website. But in terms of functionality and customization, all of that can be achieved within the keyboard itself, so there isn't a huge issue there. But overall, I would definitely recommend this keyboard. It's decent for the price, it feels very premium for what it is, and it comes with a free wrist rest. What more could you want for that price? Like with many of my products, I'm going to link this in the description of this video. If you are interested in checking this out, or maybe you want to buy it for yourself, you will be supporting the channel as well. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.